Alright, so here's the Wonder Dog. Hey, Boo. Got my headlamp on. See if I can show you what's going on out here. So, it's still snowing. It's been snowing for about 2 days. There's Buddy. You can see Buddy's about 2 feet tall. And he's all in. I'm breaking trail. We're out in the woods, I'm breaking trail. And that's it, right there. It's hard to see the trail because there's no, there's no boundaries anymore. He really wanted to go out though, so I think he's regretting it. Come on, bud, let's go. Come on, we going? Come on. We going? We breaking trail? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Go on. Go on, I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you, man. What's the problem? Oh, it's 2 dogs worth of snow?